Hey, welcome to the party of six. Today I wanted to just quickly do an unboxing video of the Weber iGrill 2. So earlier this week, over the weekend, I smoked a pork butt and my iGrill 2 stopped working. So the lights didn't light up, changed the batteries, tried some stuff, tried different batteries, tried resetting the device, nothing worked. So I reached out to Weber because I found out their warranty was 2 years. So I purchased this a year ago, and they asked for a video of what it was doing, my address, my phone number, description, and proof of purchase. And they said they would get a new one out. And then, what do you know? Today, quickly from Chicago came a new Weber iGrill 2. So love this device. It's a Bluetooth connected thermometer, and it has 2 probes that come in the box. They did not ask for my old equipment back, so now I have 4 probes. Not sure that I will really do much that would require 4 probes. Here you can see what's in the box. So it contains the probe, or 2 probes, and the grill, and 2 AA batteries, which it requires. So let's open it up. It's really easy to sync with your phone. Can give you notifications. You can set presets for grilled. You can remember grilled. So there we go. Some instructions, quick start guide. So this shows you how to connect the device to your phone. Comes with a stand. I didn't really use the stand. I might next time. As you can see, it definitely weathered a little bit. So this one is nice and new and shiny. Another nice thing that it came with that I did use is a magnet. So you can stick this to the side of your grill if you have like a gas grill. That's a metal door. My green egg doesn't really have much metal, so I ended up not using that feature. But I may do that again just for storage. Just to be able to stick it somewhere inside the house easy. Get rid of that. So again, it came with 2 more probes. Again, I don't know why I would need 4 probes. There's definitely been times where I wanted 3. One to keep an eye on my temperature of my the grill. It's nice because I can again see it from inside. I don't need to go outside to check the temperature. It's also really nice because it's at the food level, so I can insert one of these probes into a clip into my grill, and then it's at my food level instead of going off of what the green egg thermometer says at the top of the grill. So first thing we'll do is insert the batteries. It's going to power on, and then I believe all we have to do is then go to Bluetooth on our phone. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is delete. So I've opened up the Weber app, gone to the settings section. The next thing I'm going to do is delete this device. This is the old one. So I've disconnected it. Hit disconnect. And now I'm going to add a device. So now it's searching. And there, it found it. So now I'm going to pair. I would like to add to my phone, pair. It says it's connecting, and now it's paired. So that's it. So then I can go to the home temperature or home screen. I can start grilling, and it's going to ask me, do I want my food to be in the, is it going to be in a probe inside the food, or is it going to be the grill temperature? So if you do food, it's going to say what kind of food. So let's say I'm doing a pork butt. Go here to pork, pork shoulder, boneless butt, and then you set the temperature. So they recommend a temperature. So what I like to do, I like to get it to 185, 190 degrees. Then you just hit start, and then you select on the bottom here, there's 4 ports where you would insert your probes. So you would select your port and start grilling, and it tells you to insert the probe. And that's it. So now it's going to look for the temperature once you insert a probe. So we'll throw one in real quick. So probe 1 has been inserted at 76 degrees. So then it shows up. So then if I wanted to do a second probe to say, let's do a second probe for my grate temperature, I would do grill temperature, and I could set a range. So what this will do is notify me if it gets too low or too high. So I really like this feature. One thing to keep in mind is the max temperature is a 572 degrees, so that is something to think about when you're cooking on those really high temperatures for like a steak or something. If you're wanting to get a really hot sear, be mindful of the top temperature. But I really like this. I can go, I probably lost it, but I can go to a graph and see just how my food is progressing. I can upload this or save it. It's a really nice feature. I can set timers from here. Yeah, I really like this. I was pretty disappointed when it didn't work. I'm really happy that Weber replaced my iGrill 2. Really easy and simple process, and I'm really looking forward to cooking something this weekend. So that's all I got. Thanks. So what favorite things do you like to cook on the grill? Let us know in the comments. See you real soon.